this is 7th standard maths. Chapter name is integers. Exercise 1.3. Let's check our last week homework sum. Please find each of the following product. Minus 1 into 225, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. G1, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Just find the product, means just multiply and check the answer. Okay, this is a homework sum. Find each of the following product. In that B is a homework. Minus 1 into 225. So 1 into 225 you have to multiply. 1 into 225 is 225. Minus into plus is minus. Now D1, minus 316 into minus 1. 316 into 1 is 316. Minus into minus plus, no need to write. No symbol means plus symbol is there. Now E1, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18 is a question. Minus 15 into 0 is 0. 0 into 18 is 0. Any number, 15 into 0 is 0. 0 into 18 is 0. Minus into minus means plus, no need to write, or 0. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6, G1. Okay. 9 into 3 first you have to multiply. 9 3 is a 27. Then these two number you have to multiply. 9 3 is a 27. 27 into 6. After that 27 into 6. Answer is 162. After multiplication 162. Minus into minus is plus. Now fifth main. Find the product using properties, suitable properties. So here we can multiply directly. 26 hours to multiply and simplify, but find the product using suitable property. So we have to use any property, commutative property or associate property or distributive property which is suitable. Then we can try. In some question it will be suitable to both the properties, sometime commutative or in distributive. So we can choose any property and distribute or completed. We have to find the product. First question is over. Now second question we have to try. 8 into 53 into minus 125. Which property we can apply here? We have to check. Here 853 into 1.125 minus 125. It means we can distribute the number A into B into C. A into B into C. We can distribute it. So A into B into C means 3 number is given. So with A we can distribute B into C. With A we can distribute B into C. So that we have to choose any one number, we have to keep here and distribute the other number. Here check 125 means we can round off easily. 100 plus 125. 100 plus 25. Okay, 100 plus 25 is 125. Add means minus 100 minus 25 we have to write. So that is in center, we have to split. Or one more method means we can keep any one. A into B into C means A outside, B into C inside, we have to write. So which number we can take? 8 outside or these two number inside, or we can take 53 outside and these two number inside. Okay, 53 outside, 8 into 125 inside we have to write. So 53 distributing to 8 and minus 125. 8 into minus 125. Now 53 bracket means into only. 8 into minus 125. You have to multiply and check. 125 8s are how much? 125 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 4 carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 2 carry. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 2 9 10,000. And symbol minus here. So minus into plus is minus. 8 into 125 is minus 1000. Okay, 53 has it is. We can distribute 53 into 8, we can multiply, and this minus symbol again 53 into 125 we can try. Or 53 has it is, simplify this number means removing bracket. 53 has it is. Just a number is given by using appropriate property. Now we are used distributive property. Distributive property we used here. Now 53 into 1000 we have to check. 53 into 1000 is 53, 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Minus into plus is minus. Answer is 53,000. C1, fifth mean C1, okay. Fifth question in that C1, 15 into minus 2, 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Now which property we have to try here? Check 15. First we have to simplify these number. Then we can make into commutative property. We can apply commutative property. Because 25 4s are 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. 1000 means in a tens 00 form means it is easy for calculation. Okay, if thousands place, first just check 25 into 400, 100 into 10,000. So easy to calculate. So 15 into 1000 equal 1000 into 15 we can make. No, commutative property means just reversing. 15 into, it means 15 here, and after simplification 1000 equal 1000 into 15 we can make. So no need to write the both the part, only one side we have to simplify. So that's why we are simplifying this number. If the number in a 00 form and last digit in a 0 form means it is easy for multiplication. So here we are using commutative property. Commutative property is reversing number, but many numbers are there. First we have to simplify, then check whether it look like commutative property. Now 15 into minus 25 into 4. 25 4s are, first simplify this. 25 4s are 100. Minus into minus is plus. No need to write symbol. And into minus 10. Okay. Again 15 into 100 into minus 10 is minus 1000. So here if 15 into 1000 we can make it minus 1000 into 15. So it is in commutative property. In some question we can use both the any two property also. We can apply any two property. We can try with associate property or we can try with commutative property. Okay. So here 15 into 1000 means we can get 1000 into 15 also. Reverse. If reverse also we get the same answer. So this is in commutative property. 15 into 1000 is 15,000. Plus into minus is minus. Answer is minus 15,000. Fifth question, D1 minus 41 into 102. See here we can multiply directly and write the answer, but here question they ask find the product using suitable property. So we have to apply a property, any property. Some question we can try with any two property also. Here 41 is there and 102. 102 means we can split the number. 100 plus 2 or 104 minus 2 also we can make, split the number. If round figure is there, 00 means we can multiply easily. After distribute and multiply easily by when the digit is 00 form. So make it easy, simple. Minus 41 as it is into, and here split the number. That is a splitting is a distribution. 100 plus 2, otherwise they are fighting. So it in distributive we are used distributive property. Okay. Now minus distributive means minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2 we have to multiply. That is a distribution. Distributing things to each person. Okay. Otherwise they will fight. Minus 41 into 100. Here plus symbol. So we have to write plus. That is a distribution. Minus 41 into 2. Here also in some question we can try with any two method also. Okay. Now minus 41 into 100 is minus 41 0. After multiplication we get 4100 plus into minus is minus 41 2s are how much? 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 82. Now minus 4100 minus 82. Same symbol means addition. Now we have to add and check. For 4100 plus 82 means 4182. 4182. Greater number symbol is minus.